Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, front suspension type, strut, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.